Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with Mahogany Obsidian, the stone of development. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that with Mahogany Obsidian. But if you've been watching my videos and you are not yet subscribed and you want to learn about a wide variety of crystals and gemstones and how they can help you, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. I post 4 videos a week about crystals and gemstones and how they can help you, so you don't want to miss any of that. Today we're talking about Mahogany Obsidian. This is part of the obsidian family. It was formed in a similar way to regular black obsidian, but Mahogany Obsidian has a lot of hematite inclusions in it, which give it this brown color. And each member of the obsidian family provides grounding and protection. That's its base supportive property, but each different stone holds very different healing benefits, which is why snowflake obsidian and black obsidian, mahogany and rainbow obsidian, they're all going to get their own different videos. And Apache tears are part of the obsidian family as well, because they all help provide that grounding and protection in a different way. Now, the first benefit of working with Mahogany Obsidian is that it is super for growth and development. These colors, black and brown, are so very reminiscent of just that dark, rich, brown dirt and soil that provides the safe space and nutrients for seeds to sprout and grow. That is the energy of this stone. It helps you develop yourself and grow into the amazing flowering plant or tree that you are meant to become. If you are a student, this is a great stone to have with you at school as you're learning your lessons. This is great not just for academic learning, but for developing your career, for developing your spiritual life. Any area that you would like to improve or expand, working with Mahogany Obsidian is an excellent stone to help support your growth in this life. The second benefit of working with Mahogany Obsidian is that it greatly reduces stress. This is a phenomenal stone to have with you during those stressful times in life. It helps you feel solid, secure, and stable when the world around you feels so chaotic. This is like a giant oak tree or a redwood in the middle of a storm. You are rooted and stable, calm, and it's such a soothing, supportive feeling stone. Holding it just quickly makes me feel like I can handle anything. And it calms me down really quickly. The third benefit of working with Mahogany Obsidian is that it revitalizes our life purpose in two ways. If you haven't already decided kind of what your contribution to this life will be, or what your kind of life purpose will be, your guiding principles, then meditating with Mahogany Obsidian will help you develop that, will help it rise up from inside of you and make it obvious to you that this is the way that I would like to live my life and how I would like to put something out into the world. But it also helps if you've already figured that out and you're lacking enthusiasm in it. Maybe it's feeling old, tired, stagnant. This is a stone that reminds you of why you were passionate about it in the first place. Maybe you've decided that your gift to the world will be creativity, or it will be working for nonprofit organizations, or it will be supporting children that have difficulty learning. All of these things, you decided that you wanted to do it in the first place, and sitting with Mahogany Obsidian will remind you of why it was important, or help you figure out if there's a change that you need to make to develop this part of your life, to do it a little bit differently, to regain the excitement for it. Maybe you need to change nonprofits. Maybe you need to work on a different specialization with helping children, or try a different creative project. Mahogany Obsidian will help to light that fire and get your passion growing for your life purpose. Then the fourth benefit of working with Mahogany Obsidian is that it helps give you inner strength. Along with reducing stress, this is a stone that helps you keep going when life is feeling really, really difficult, when it's hard to put one foot in front of the other and continue to function in your daily life because maybe that stress has gotten that deep. And these are called dark nights of the soul. These are times when maybe we want to hide under our blankets all day long and forget about what's going on in the world. It's okay to do that. Mahogany Obsidian will help you feel safe and protected when life feels that dark. It will help you get through. It's like that lifeboat, the life vest, that will keep you afloat until you're feeling better, until you're feeling like you can move forward. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about the wonderful stone, Mahogany Obsidian. It's such an important stone that wants us to feel safe and protected, but also grow and expand and move beyond our current boundaries to become more than we currently are, to contribute more than we currently do, and to help us feel safe when it feels really hard to do those things. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if Mahogany Obsidian feels like a gemstone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with Mahogany Obsidian. And you don't need a piece of the stone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything I talked about in this video or the prompts in the guided meditation really call to you and feel familiar, like that's something that you need, then that is a sign that you should get some Mahogany Obsidian and work with it some more. If you're new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. I think we're up to 60 or more different gemstones through the life of this channel. So if you'd like to learn about all of these different gemstones and how you can use them in your practical everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.